Hello, good morning mula sa CHC Agritech, isang magandang produkto ngayon na tanggal baho, isang activator na nagbibigay talaga ng zero bad odor gaano man kabaho ang basura o kahit bituka pa yan. At ito po ang paggamit at pamamaraan. It's the most advanced Japanese technology formulated by the legend Dr. Tetsuo Kamikawa, world-renowned enzymatologist and microbiologist. CHC Activator means solid waste treatment, water waste treatment, eliminates foul odor, easy to use, composting agent, safe for humans and animal, good for household disinfectant. Kaya napakaganda. Kaya dito po, ang una nating ginagawa ay eliminate bad odor, waste water treatment, at solid waste treatment na talaga namang napaka-epektibo. Ngayon naman po, pag-usapan natin how to use. Mix 100 grams of CHC Agritech Activator in 20 liters of water and let microbes activate for 6 to 12 hours. Use a cloth to sift organic residues from the mixture to avoid nozzle clogging. Spray in affected areas. 100 grams is good for 0.5 tons or half of tons of waste and 500 liters of wastewater. And then 500 grams of CHC Agritech Activator in 100 liters of water and let microbes activate for 6 to 12 hours. Use a cloth to sift organic from the mixture to avoid clogging. Spray in affected areas. 500 grams is good for 2.5 tons of waste and 2,500 liters of wastewater. Mix 1 kilogram of CHC Agritech Activator in 200 liters of water and let microbes activate for 6 to 12 hours. Use a cloth to sift organic residues from the mixture to avoid nozzle clogging. Spray in affected areas. 1 kilogram is good for 5 tons of waste and 5,000 liters of wastewater.
So we're here at Barangay Kaykwetri, Indang, Cavite. So I'm together with Konsehal Butch. Hi ka naman, Konsehal. And also our barangay captain, no other than Captain Ray. Napakasipag po. Cap, hi ka naman, Cap. Yun. So ayan, nagpa-power sprayer tayo ng activator. And right now, as in wala na talaga akong maamoy. Kanina, umulan pa, sobrang basa, and grabe yung baho. At least na-address natin yung problem nila dito. Ngayon, wala na talagang amoy. And majority of us, actually, no need na mag-mask kasi wala na kaming naamoy. Tama ko sa good. Kamusta po, Konsehal, yung effect ng activator natin? Nakakatulong? Ano ba?
Gaya na sinabi ko kanina, siguro may introduce ko sa municipality of Pinda.
Yes, tama po, tama.
Ang ibang official namin sa ibang barangay, aware sila dito at according to you, ito ay
Japanese technology.
Japanese technology, which is hindi siya gumagamit ng chemical.
Yes, it's natural, 100% natural.
Organic yung
Proven and tested. Message us. Contact the person who share it to you. Thank you.